Hello friends, today we will discuss the current issues of the Indian economy. It will be in multiple choice question form. So we will discuss topics like GDP, growth, unemployment, inflation, government policies and globalization. So all topics are important, and if you know the answer, kindly write down the answer whenever question is completed. So, question number one, which term describes the coexistence of high inflation and stagnating growth in an economy? A. Deflation, B. Stagflation, C. Hyperinflation, D. Recession. Before seeing the answer, please write the answer yourself. So, answer is B, that is stagflation. India's most post-pandemic period saw high consumer price inflation while economic growth slowed in some quarters. Stagflation refers to a scenario where inflation is high, but economic growth is very slow and unemployment is also high, causes concern for policy makers. India's GDP growth, second question, India's GDP growth rate for financial year 25 is projected to be approximately A 3%, B 6.5%, C 9%, D 12%. Answer is B, that is 6.5%. The National Statistical Office reported India's real GDP for the year is US dollar 2.2 trillion with 6.5 growth. Estimates from financial institutions indicate India will register a 6.5% GDP growth, making it one of the fastest growing major economies. Question number 3. What is the primary cause behind recent increase in unemployment in India? A. Population decline, B. Slow manufacturing sector growth, C. Service sector boom, D. High agricultural productivity. Answer is B, that is slow manufacturing sector growth. Despite a large workforce, sectors like manufacturing and services struggle to generate enough new jobs. Slow growth in manufacturing and limited expansion in other sectors have led to rising joblessness, especially among youth entering the workforce. Question number 4, which is a major challenge for India's long-term goal in 2025? A. Trade surplus, B. Food inflation, C. Rising oil reserves, D. Shrinking labor force. Answer is B, that is food inflation. Food inflation has remained above 8%, affecting household budgets and consumption. Persistent